Are you interested in achieving the popular Korean glass skin look? It's a skincare trend that's been gaining popularity in Korea and is characterized by a clear, smooth and glowing complexion that resembles glass. To achieve this coveted look, you'll need to follow a combination of skincare practices and makeup techniques. Unlocking radiant skin. Understanding your skin type is crucial as it helps you choose the right toner. Double cleansing, exfoliating and hydration are essential steps in the process. A toner containing ingredients like hyaluronic acid or glycerin can help with the hydration step. After toning, using a lightweight essence or serum that targets specific skin concerns is recommended. Sheet masks, moisturizers and a daily application of broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 even on cloudy days are also essential. Makeup techniques can further enhance the glass skin effect. For a natural look, opt for a cream blush to achieve a natural blush on your cheeks. Additionally, choose lip tints or balms that provide a sheer and glossy finish. Nurturing your skin. It's important to be consistent with your skincare routine and give your skin time to adapt to the products you use. Every individual skin is unique, so results may vary. Adjust your skincare routine as needed and consult a dermatologist if you have any underlying skin issues. Customized toners for every skin type. Ridhim Vats Bhardwaj, co-founder of Rio Herbs India, explained in an interview that toners play a vital role in balancing the pH level of the skin and removing impurities. There are different types of toners designed for various skin types. For dry skin, hydrating toners with ingredients like glycerin or hyaluronic acid are recommended. Exfoliating toners with fruit enzymes or hydroxy acid work well for normal combination and oily skin as they help cleanse the skin and promote a natural glow. Treatment toners are specifically formulated to address specific skin problems such as aging, wrinkles, acne or excess oil. To find the right toner for your skin, it's best to consult a dermatologist who can determine your skin type and recommend the most suitable product. By following their advice and establishing a proper skincare routine, you will be on your way to achieving glass-like skin. So why not start taking care of your skin today and begin your journey towards achieving that radiant glass skin effect?